Good morning. I spontaneously decided that I would film my last weekend of 26 just because I wanted to do like more of a vlog style video for YouTube. Since I did like, sorry, my dog really wants me to walk her. We'll continue this conversation outside. As I was saying, I was intending on doing a vlog when I was in Philly. However, I decided to do like daily TikTok vlogs instead. Excuse me. So I was like, you know what? Why don't I just vlog this random weekend? I'm not doing anything particularly exciting, but I do have a few things to do here and there. So I thought, might as well vlog this last weekend of 26 before I am officially considered, well, maybe not officially, but I am considered a late 20s. Let me know what you guys think. Is late 20s 27 or 28? Because I'll be 27. Every time I think about or get stressed out about like getting older, I was watching this TikTok that was giving me some really good perspective where it was like, well, what's the alternative? And I was like, you're so right. It's been sweater weather for her, but all of them are in the wash, so I had to put on her little bandana because she is loved, and it's so windy. Why is it so windy today? Here is a little OOTD. I just got back from my walk. I actually had to do a couple of things, brush my dog because she is shedding because, you know, her winter coat. I go on a walk every morning with these guys right here. These are like ankle weighted bracelets. They're only like £1 each, but it's like pretty much routine for me to put them on every morning. Just adds a little bit of resistance, you know, when I take her on our morning walk. And yeah, so just a little OOTD, Lululemon scuba hoodie. This black Mickey jacket I've honestly had for like 10 plus years, or I should say I've been wearing for 10 plus years. It's my dad's. I either stole it, or my sister and I either stole it, or he gave it to us, but it's one of my favorite jackets ever because I don't know if you can see it. There's like Mickey on the back, which you can't see. I'll take it off right now and show you. There we go. It's actually warming up in LA. It's been like in the 50s for the past several days, and it's supposed to be in like the high 60s, low 70s. So I'm really excited. These like jogger pants are so comfy, and honestly, I think I got them from Agassi. Does anybody remember that store? Agassi had like cute little like trendy like clothes. Anyway, so this is so old because Agassi doesn't exist anymore, and I don't even remember buying these on there. Socks are my favorite Under Armour ankle socks. I literally don't wear any other ankle socks. Pretty much, I only buy these because these never do me wrong. And there's my laundry. One of two of my dog's aforementioned sweaters drying here. I'll be tending to this in a little bit. Okay, this is better. I don't know why. Like in my guest room, it's like dark if I go this way, probably because the window's coming in this way. But I have a few things I want to do today. Number one, I need to freaking clean my kitchen. I need to wash the dishes in my sink and unload my dishwasher. Does anybody else absolutely hate, like my two least favorite chores are putting away the dishes, like unloading the dishwasher, and putting away clothes, like folding laundry. I love like putting the stuff into their respective like washing machines, but when it comes time to like unloading them, I'm like, oh God. So I have to do that because I have a whole, it's so embarrassing, like few days of dishes like in the sink. I'm not going to show it to you because I've been too lazy to unload the dishwasher. So sometimes I do that. It's really, really bad. Another thing, I want to decorate my tree. I have my tree up. I bought a new 7-foot tree because my other 6-foot tree was a little pencil tree that I got in Vegas, and she was like my practice tree. I wanted something bigger for the space, so I am going to be decorating this bad boy today. I may need to run to Michael's to get a couple of things because they're having some great sales. So I'll be doing that. I need to go to Zara because I have like a gift certificate to Zara, and I want to see what like fun holiday-esque things I can buy. See if I can buy anything for my birthday. Honestly, don't really need to. Like I have clothes that I can wear out on my birthday. I'm not even doing anything crazy. I also have a couple like holiday parties coming up, so I want to shop and see what is good for those potentially. This is like so ugly. I don't know why this is right here. Comment below if you already have your Christmas decorations up because I'm still very much into the harvest vibes. So I don't like putting up my like Christmas decorations, like my winter decorations, until after Thanksgiving. I don't know if I'm partial to Thanksgiving because it's my birthday. This year it's the day before my birthday. Next year it's the day of my birthday. Every 5 years it's on my birthday, but the year I was born it was on my birthday. But I'll do my Christmas tree and all that stuff. Totally believe it's like a mid to late November thing. So I can have it up for like a good 2 months. But in terms of like winter decorations, I'm like, guys, it's still fall. Like we still have over a month of fall left. So I've still got my pumpkins out and shit. I'm not hosting Thanksgiving. I'm not hosting Christmas. I think I'm hosting like a little New Year's thing at my house for my family. Because my sister and her fiance will be in town, so I'm so excited about that. Christmas tree, cleaning, shopping. I potentially have a couple other stores that I might want to visit at the mall. I don't know, we'll see. But right now I'm going to be making my coffee. I feel like I always talk about this coffee recipe and it's so simple, but I'm just going to show it to you. Nespresso, always. Pick a pod. What pod are we feeling today? You know what? I actually don't have that much oat milk left, so I might do my classic. Well, you know what? I'm going to do a pumpkin spice cake because 'tis the season. Just gonna put that bad boy in here. All my cups are in the freaking dishwasher. Oat milk, I usually don't get Oatly, but I actually got this for the first time at an Amazon Fresh because I was out and I had already done my Trader Joe's run, so I was like, fuck it, I'll just go one off. So just going to do a little bit of home brew. Actually, I'm gonna do, you know, I'm just gonna finish the whole thing because there's not much left. Espresso frother. Pour the froth. Pumpkin pie spice. Sorry, this is not gonna look as pretty because I'm filming and I'm making a mess. Anyway, you get it. And then I'll just turn on my YouTube, my TV, and pick one of these like kind of vibey scenes. Like, look how nice that is, just for the mood. There's so many different ones of these. I put one of these on like literally every single morning or evening, depending on what the vibes are. I'll have my coffee and cheers. Then I'll just kind of like read or relax or kind of like, you know, take care of some things that I need to on my computer, whatever it may be. Hang out with my dog. This is my morning routine. Okay, it is officially time to start decorating the tree. I actually keep in one of my closets all my Christmas decor. I will show you. So this is said closet. Like I said, I'm not gonna put up my wreaths or anything like that. This is all my like other Christmas decor. This is my other smaller Christmas tree, but I am going to be using the same ornaments. Now, originally, my plan was to put up my smaller Christmas tree in my bedroom and then use the ornaments that I have for that tree and then buy new ornaments, but ornaments are expensive. I decided it wasn't fiscally responsible for me to do that this year, so we're just gonna be using what we have, which is really, really great. And I actually need to run to Michael's to get a few things like a tree topper, maybe some ribbon, just little things here and there, but definitely not redoing the whole ornament scheme. I always want to check and put up everything that I have in terms of decor, etc., before I go and make like a spontaneous impulse purchasing decision to buy everything else. So we're just going to take some of these ornaments and get to decorating. Okay, so this is everything kind of compressed depending on, obviously, because this is for a 6-foot tree and I have a 7-foot tree now. I might need to get some more stuff, but we're gonna start with this. So this is the before.
A few hours later.
Okay, so I just spent the last hour putting together my tree. I don't want to show you just yet because I just want to show you the final product, but I have to run to Michael's. I actually did an online order to pick up some more ornaments, a tree topper, and some ribbon for the tree. I've never put like ribbon on my tree, but I'm excited to try. And I thought while I'm out, I'll go get some lunch. I want to get kava, and it's like at the same mall that I'm going to get my other stuff. So I'm going to go to kava. I am going to go to Zara, and I have to go to Lush to get a new bottle, like a little tub of sleepy lotion, because I put it on every single night before I go to bed. So let's go. Zara and Lush items secured. I will be doing a haul, which by the time you're watching this, that haul is probably posted on my TikTok, so go check that out. And now I'm gonna go get my lunch because I ordered kava and I'm starving, so let's go get lunch. Michael's order secured. I'm gonna go home, finish decorating my tree. It's been a few hours since I've spoken to you. I'm gonna finish decorating my tree, clean, I have to do laundry, fill my try-on haul, I still have to do that, and take a bath, so yay, cozy Saturdays. And here we have my tree. So I picked up a few things from Michael's, including this gold ribbon, which they didn't give me my initial order, like they forgot to pack it, so I had to go back to the store and grab it. But I'm trying out this new ribbon kind of vibe, and I actually really like it. I love the gold mesh. It's like exactly kind of what I was going for. So I'm very pleased with that. And it's funny, I love my lighted star. That's also new too. I actually had to command strip the, what do you call this? Like outlet extender up so that my tree topper could fit, like the wire could fit. So now it's just kind of like on the wall here, which is like fine. You know, you can't really see unless you're like behind the tree or on the side. I'm really pleased with how it's looking so far, and I'm so glad my tree is up and decorated. All right, so I'm about to take a bath, and I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. So I got rid of my old bedroom lamps and I just like put them away in storage. One of them I actually use in my office, and then one of them was just sitting like in a closet. But I decided, because I hate like, see how the light is like much more like cool, it's like not the vibes. I did a similar thing with my like kitchen lights. I switched them out for a warmer, soft lighting, just for cozier vibes. And I forgot my old bedroom lamps obviously had warm lighting in it, so it's perfect for bath time. See how much cozier it just feels in here? It's crazy how much of a difference lighting can make. I lit a candle, hot cocoa and cream. This is like my perfect like single wick candle for the winter time. I honestly got it for the winter time, but I love it for the fall too. So take a bath, aka my favorite pastime. Do this every other day, like literally every other day. Time to finally tackle this. Yay. About to call it a night. I am laying in bed watching ASMR, which is what basically I do every night, whether it's in my bed or on my couch, but I was already like in my bed area because I was doing my laundry here. Yeah, so good night. See you tomorrow.
The next day.
Good morning. Ignore the fact that it looks like I got run over by a semi truck. I got up, I've been cleaning, took my dog for a walk, brushed her, been, you know, doing laundry, all that kind of stuff. So I'm sitting down. I have 20 minutes left to start my makeup before I go to brunch. And I forgot that I don't have oat milk, so I made my Bianco Leggero black, but it's okay black. It's still good. So I woke up and I have a pimple right here, which is not fun. I still have to film that try on haul. I'm gonna do my makeup, film that try on haul for my TikTok, go to my friend's house first, then go to brunch. We'll see where the rest of the day takes me. I still have a lot of cleaning here to do, but it's such a nice day outside. So there's also nothing like the first morning after you put up your tree. I don't know why. There's something about it that makes me happy, because you walk outside and you're like, oh my God, it's here, it's done. Here she is. Obviously, she looks better lit up, but I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Little OOTD in my guest room again because my bedroom's a mess. I'm washing my sheets. So my jacket is DKNY. My top is Princess Polly. I love this top. It's like a black collared, sorry, the lighting's not very good. It's like a black collared crop top. It's like thin and long sleeve, so cute. Jeans are my favorite ones from Princess Polly, of course. And my boots are H&M. They're honestly from college. I need to get new ones, but anyway, this is what we're working with. I actually decided to change to this like black and white checkered crop puffer jacket. I think it looks better with this look. So anyway, now let's go.
Many hours later.
So I'm in bed now, obviously, it is Sunday night, and I was not able to vlog, like talk to you all day, except for in the morning. Like the day kind of took a turn. I wasn't expecting to stay out for as long as I did. But I was having a really good day, and Sabrina and I hadn't seen each other in a long time. And the day just kind of like evolved. Like you guys saw the clips. It was really, really fun. We went to brunch, then we ended up walking around, then we went back to her house, and her brother made a pit stop. Her whole family's like coming kind of into town for Thanksgiving. And so we hung out with him and his boyfriend for a while. And then after that, like I hung out a little bit more. And then her boyfriend was out with his friend, who I also know. And then they ended up coming back to the house, and they made dinner, and it was just cool. We were all hanging out, watching the Laker game, made some cookies. So it was a really nice Sunday. I mean, I didn't do anything that I was planning on doing, but it was one of those days where I'm glad the kind of spontaneity of the day, like it just kind of unfolded in a really, really nice way. And I'm really happy about that. And I'm really grateful that it just turned out to be such a lovely day. So yeah, I got home, I showered, I had like my laundry that I had to put in the dryer, take care of my dog, you know, like all of that stuff. So yeah, but I'm going to close out the vlog here. Thank you for coming along with me on this very, I would say, kind of eventful weekend. I had a really good weekend. Had to take care of some things here and there, but it's all good. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And don't mind the pimple patch right here. She's kind of coming in. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know if you like vlogs like these. Again, I just thought it'd be nice to share with like a random weekend with you. And I'm glad it ended up being like an eventful one, because believe me, not all my weekends are this eventful, and you know, just by my standards. So yeah, thank you so much. Let me know what you want to see next. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye, good night.